Wellhead tubing hanger leak repair animation. Install Wellhead test tool on tubing hanger void test port. Measure pressure in void and compare with tubing and production casing pressures. Bleed void pressure to 0. Note bleed off rate and volume and type of any fluid recovered. Then shut in and monitor for pressure buildup. Prepare to measure leak rates with seal-tight pump. Pump hydraulic fluid and measure leak rates at various pump pressures. Prepare sealant based on measured leak rates. Pump sealant into void area. Manipulate pump pressure to form a seal across the leak sites. Cycle applied pressure to squeeze sealant into the leak sites. Lock in test pressure and monitor for several hours to allow the sealant to cure. Bleed void pressure to 0 and monitor for pressure buildup. In some cases, void pressure may be required to maintain the seal. Flow the well while monitoring for leakage. Monitor for pressure buildup in the void due to thermal expansion. Excess sealant in the void area will remain liquid. Resume normal production operations.